Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another tremendous video. So, in our previous video, we went over how to participate in the LP on SuiDex, and we went over how to stake our LP position in Sui Farm. So, I want to give you guys a follow-up video on how to claim your victory rewards the very next day. So, I think this is about a half a day worth of rewards that have stacked up for me so far. So let's get right into it, shall we? All right. So this is Sui Farm, just like we went to yesterday. And if this is your first time stopping by the channel, this site we're on is farm.suidex.org. This is a yield farm that is on the Sui blockchain. And my token, Tree Token, is part of this, and it's tremendous. Bad jokes. Okay, getting right into it. So yesterday we staked our LP positions into Sui Farm, and if you come to the home screen, which is this right here, you'll see a nice little dashboard, and you'll see Tree is on boosted yield still today. All right, so you'll have victory to harvest, victory in wallet. I've got a little over 7,000 in there right now. That's almost. It's about $19.30 on the current price. And by the way, the victory token price has been it's been chugging along pretty steadily. All right. So you can go to view positions. And then what you do is this is just too simple. So you go right here, you hit claim rewards. And when you go to claim rewards, you simply hit approve. And we will go through all of these. It does not take long. No, I've only got 5 positions in here. And as you can see, I've got a Suie and Tree SuiShock, good coin. And then we got SuiTrump. Really excited about SuiTrump. It's deflationary because this whole system is set up to buy and burn SuiTrump, and we'll go over that in another video. All right, moving on. Let's claim Sui and victory. There we go. One more to go. And then we're going to hit approve on that. All right. So we have claimed all of our victory token for today. And if you go up to the top, you'll see that it's back down to just under a penny worth of rewards to do. All right. So here's what I do. All right. So if you go over to Token Locker, what I do is, is I go in here. And once it comes up, I'm going to take approximately half of the victory token that I have claimed today. And let's see. All right. So we've got it up. Good deal. All righty. So we're going to go right. No, we're going to go right here to this tab right here. It's lock tokens. All right, so my personal strategy, you don't have to do this. This is just something that I choose to do. I take half of my victory tokens, and then what I personally do is I take it and I lock it in a 3-year lock, and then I'm going to confirm that. Now, this is going to do a couple of things, like we said in the last video. First off, this helps strengthen the whole SuiDex system, and then number 2, this is another passive income mechanism that you can put your assets in to earn weekly. You're going to earn Sui rewards, and you're also going to earn victory token as well here. Now, here's like we talked about in the previous video, the victory token is really a centrifuge for this whole thing because you can do so much with it. So for the sake of this video, and because we love Tree, we're going to go over here to exchange, which is SuiDex. And what I'm going to do is I am going to swap this around, and then I am going to put in Tree. There's Tree right there, and I'm going to hit max. And that's going to give me just a little bit over 500,000 Tree passively from Victor Rewards. And I am going to swap. And there you go. I just bought some more of the token of my choice. you can literally take Victory token and you can exchange it for any pair in the pool. You can exchange it for SuiTrump. You can exchange it for Wrap Bitcoin. You can go into the USDC pairs. You can go into any of it. Uh, so for me, I personally have one, two, three, four pairs, and then I have a single asset position down here. It's just under $1,000 of USDC, but that's just what I wanted to do to be on the conservative end. So yeah, that's really and truly it. If you go back to the previous video, you'll see how to take those that new tree token or whatever asset that you're using on SuiDex and how to create LP tokens and then stake those LP tokens into Sui Farm. And then you can join the crew like us and you can literally, like, I mean, with Tree right now, it's 92.44% APR and you can enjoy that every day. This market is nuts. What is so nice about Sui Farm and SuiDex, you can literally take your phone, you can interact with your account once a day. It's V2 full range. You're not going to go out of range. You're not going to stop earning. And whatever assets you're into on SuiDex and Sui Farm, you can literally DCA into them passively and easy with these rewards every single day. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tremendous, guys, and see you in the next video.